How's everyone doing? Matt Ryan. I'm here with Thomson Reuters, and having been with, having sponsored FinTech Sandbox since the beginning, it's really exciting to see the type of innovation that's been fostered here and the collisions that have been created over the years. And Elsen, kind of in a similar note, has been with FinTech Sandbox since the beginning as part of the inaugural class. I think they're a true example of some of the innovation that's been fostered here within the sandbox. So we've been working with Elsen since the beginning now. We've taken their partnership far beyond just data, and we've actually launched a product in market called QA Point. And without further ado, I want to introduce a man who was wearing sandals and shorts last year, but I believe he's wearing pants and a button down this year. CEO and co-founder of Elsen, Zac Sheffer.
Hi, everyone. My name is Zac Sheffer, and I did actually wear nice clothes today. Anyway, so I'm the CEO and co-founder of Elsen. So as Matt was mentioning, we're actually an alumni of the Sandbox. We've been part of it since April of 2015. So I've seen it sort of change a lot. So I'm really excited. We actually just, as Matt was saying, announced a new product in the market with Thomson Reuters, QA Point. And so what's great about this product is, for a company like Elsen, we get huge growth, but also, Thomson Reuters, a huge multinational corporation, can go from 0 to global in a couple of months with a brand new innovative product. And most importantly, the clients really like it. So that's good. So I'm going to do something a little different. Because we've got this product in the market, I'm actually going to show a Thomson Reuters promotional video. So let's jump into it.
Investors are demanding more transparency and a more systematic approach to the investment process. Portfolio managers and analysts are challenged with leveraging smarter quantitative tools, boosting productivity, and improving returns while offering innovative strategies and maintaining compliance. So, how do you scale the current investment process without the added costs of quant experts? The answer is Thomson Reuters QA Point. Built with portfolio managers in mind, QA Point provides the tools to easily construct, validate, and deploy complex multi-factor investment strategies. That means you don't need to be a highly skilled developer to take advantage of investment techniques and data science. The intuitive point-and-click interface makes it easy to customize and test multi-factor investment strategies in a fraction of the time that traditional quant tools require. You can screen stocks and create customized dynamic investment universes, build multi-factor models with a few mouse clicks, and see the results in minutes, not weeks. Test and analyze the historical performance of your factor models. Create custom factors and share your insights and strategies with other members of the team. QA Point also improves productivity with pre-built data mapping and intuitive multi-factor model building. And with our standardized global database of Thomson Reuters and third-party market data, combined with accurate symbology mapping, you can have greater confidence in your results. An intuitive interface, Thomson Reuters premium data, and amazing speed and performance. It's all possible with Thomson Reuters QA Point.
So that's QA Point, which is really exciting because we've got users around the world on this application. So kind of looking at Elsen, so we're a platform as a service company for large financial institutions. We help anyone effortlessly harness vast quantities of data to solve their most complex problems. We do that in 3 sort of ways. 1, world-class data. The second, progressive technology. And the third, intuitive, human-focused design. And when you kind of put all those things together, it allows clients to solve their most difficult problems quickly, very quickly, which is great. So kind of looking back, at the problem that QA Point solves, we kind of have the typical workflow that a portfolio manager would have to go through in order to create a new idea. On the left is kind of Gary, who's based off of a whole bunch of user research. And as you can see, it takes a really long time. But with QA Point, and because of the underlying system that Elsen has developed, you get a 30 to 50x performance increase on that. And actually, we had one user who was a hardcore quant manager who said we'd made it so easy, even his mother could do this. Which is awesome. And the reason why all of this is possible is because of the underlying platform that Elsen has developed, the Elsen N platform. So the great thing is if you're building a new application, you don't have to worry about any of that stuff behind the scenes. You focus on what matters, right? Create your application, we'll deal with everything else. So we bring in all the disparate vendors, as well as any of your proprietary data. Again, you just build whatever application you want. And so what's really cool is as you start sort of peeling back the layers of the platform, you can see all the novel and proprietary things that Elsen has developed. So the first is around the data store. So again, we bring in all those disparate vendors, put them in one spot, normalize it, clean it, it's available instantly. The second is our processing engine. So we actually developed a new programming language to replace SQL. So imagine with 100 times less code, getting 100 times performance increase on every data pool and every data process. And now we added the intelligence engine. So starting to introduce machine learning and artificial intelligence, so that way you actually get insights into the data and the processes that you would have never even thought of before. And again, because everything is that much faster, you get those insights that much faster. So QA Point, again, kind of coming back to it, is one sort of application sitting on top of the platform. But what's so exciting is the platform can go so much further, right? We're constantly integrating new data, adding new partners, and really I think what we've built is the foundation for the next generation of financial applications. So if you'd like to learn more about the Elsen N platform, or if you're an asset manager who wants to play around with QA Point, or if you've just got some cool data, let us know. We're the typically rambunctious group right there.